Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. I am Nurulita Febrianti and I would like to tell you about style, context, and register in EFL context according to the Sociolinguistics course. So the first one is about style. Style is language variation which reflect changes in situational factors. So the factors that affect this style is about the situation that happen when we are talking to the other. So there are several type of this style, which is the first one is frozen style, which is the formal style or generally happen in the written form, and then formal style that happen in formal speech, formal meeting, and etc. And then consultative style or ordinary conversation, and then casual style that happen when we are talking to our friends, family, relative, and others. And the last one is about intimate style that we used to talk when we are talking to our very, very close person that have a relationship with us. So in EFL context that happen style that mostly happened in our EFL context is formal style, consultative style, and casual style, which is when we are talking to our teacher or maybe the person that having the social status higher than us, we are generally talking with our the most polite way to say it. That is why we are going to use formal style that happen in school or maybe lesson books, consultative style that happen between teacher and the students, and then casual style then we are talking to our friends when we are having a discuss in our classroom maybe. And then is a context. Context is concept, semantic structure in mind, respectively each human did. Context also can be sorted from previous events and formed psychologically for each individual. It is the same perspective about the context of the topic that's spoken to avoid the misunderstandings. So in EFL context, we can take an example that the activity in the classroom which happened between the teacher and the student to discuss about the material. So between the teacher and the student is having the same things in their mind. So when the teacher talking about the materials, the student will not having a misunderstanding about what the teacher said. So the conversation that happened with the teacher and the student is happen in a good way. And then the last one is register. Register is language used at any given moment, depend on activity, by whom and why, and by what means or influenced by the function of the speech event. So the style is according to the situation, then the register is according to the function of the speech event. Now, same as the style, register is also have many types, which is the first one is formal or one-way participant that no interruption, and then consultative that happen in two-way participants, and then casual or in a group friends and acquaintance, and then intimate that also the same as the style, which is happen between the between two very very close relationship. Same as the style in register that many that happen in the EFL context is about the consultative and casual, which is happen about the teacher and the student or maybe the student and the student when having the discuss. Okay, from that we know that style is language variation which reflects changes in situational factors. Context is concept, semantic structure in mind, respectively each mandate, and register is language used as any given moment, depend on activity by whom and by what means. So three of it is having relation one to other. The word style is used in the way most other people use register. So to refer to particular ways of using language in particular context. So that's why I say that about style, context, and register is having a connection about one to another. I think that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.